Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to mute group you created in Google Meet. Now the first thing you must do is click on the Meet icon to open it up, and then next thing at the bottom here you see the icon for new. Select it. Once you've done that, you see options for groups, so you can see the groups you are involved in or you created. So you click on the group you want to mute, then you can see now on the screen over here you see two options. We have the camera icon and the microphone icon. So you click on the microphone icon and that's it. You've muted the group. That means they can only see your video, they can't hear what you're saying. Now in case you want to unmute this also, you also click on the same icon and now they can see you and they can hear you. So that is a simple way to mute a group or to unmute it in Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this.